Your Chamberlain keypad should not stop you from opening your garage door just because the code is forgotten, the keypad is not working, or it is not connecting to the opener. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Chamberlain garage door keypad and reprogram it with your garage door opener. We will start with simple checks first, then reset the keypad, and after that, connect it back to the opener using the Learn button. Before testing anything, make sure the garage door area is clear so the door can move safely. First, check the keypad battery before resetting anything. If the keypad is blinking strangely, not responding, or not going into programming mode, the battery may be weak. Replace the battery first, then try the programming steps again. Next, locate the Learn button on your Chamberlain garage door opener. Use a ladder safely and look on the motor unit of the opener. The Learn button can be yellow, purple, red, orange, or green, depending on your model. Now reset or clear the keypad programming. On the keypad, press and hold the star button and the pound button together. Keep holding them until the keypad light stops blinking. This puts the keypad into reset or programming mode. After that, enter your new PIN. Type a new 4-digit code on the keypad, then press the pound button to save that PIN. Now select the opener type or Learn button type. Press the enter button, the number of times required for your opener type. After that, press 0 to finish this keypad setup step. Next, connect the keypad to the garage door opener. Press and release the Learn button on the opener. Then within about 30 seconds, go back to the keypad. Enter your new PIN and press and hold. Enter until the opener light blinks, or you hear a click. Now test the new code. Close the keypad cover, enter the new PIN, and press enter. If the garage door moves, the reset worked. If you already know the old PIN and only want to change it, enter the current PIN first, then press and hold the pound button until the opener light blinks twice. Now, enter the new 4-digit PIN and press enter. The opener light should blink once to confirm the new code. If the keypad still does not work, check the simple things again. Replace the battery if the keypad is weak or blinking rapidly. Stand closer to the opener while programming and make sure you finish the keypad step within the 30-second Learn button window. If the opener memory may be full or the old code is unknown, hold the Learn button for about 6 seconds until the light turns off. This clears saved remotes and keypads, so you will need to reprogram them again. That's it for this video on how to reset your Chamberlain garage door keypad and reprogram it with your opener. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your keypad working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this reset work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.